Welcome to Cuba Elementary School and welcome to our open house. This is going to look a little different than typically it would look. We're going to do this all digital, but behind me is where our buses drop off the students every day. And when they drop off, we have stickers alongside our sidewalk that are placed 6 feet apart so that when the students are entering the building, they can maintain their social distancing. The temperature machine is it's going to be in between our foyer doors. To help with parent drop off, you do not have to park. If you want to just drop your students off, you can do that as long as you stay outside of that fire lane. You can drive up this way, drop them off at the front doors. So they will go through our temperature machine. We have stickers and painted dots outside of our building that are 6 feet apart. So if there is a line for whatever reason, your students can still remain healthy and maintain social distancing as they enter their classrooms. Here's the lobby of Cuba Elementary, so you can see we've got our striping going down the hallways to kind of keep kiddos on one side or the other when we're walking to and from classes and to lunch. So we've got our directional arrows. If anybody does need to come inside, we have seating available, but it's seated far enough apart that you can maintain your social distancing. We've also got our kiosk that'll display our latest news. That'll be up and running once we get school up and running and students back in the building. And then down here, we'll go and check out one of our classrooms. We've cleared it out so that we've got everything 6 feet apart so we can keep our students safe and healthy while they're here. Here's one of our classrooms. Our chairs and tables are all 6 feet apart to help us maintain social distancing. Shared objects that students would typically use have been removed from the classroom for this time frame. Students will make use of outdoor classrooms throughout their day to help us maintain social distancing, and each grade level has their own bathroom. And this one, the subtext could be, it looks empty now, but when our children are here, we'll be sitting 6 feet apart and as many as we can take. Something like that. Lunches are broken up into 3 grade levels. Oh, sorry, we have 3 lunch periods. Pre-K and kinder, first and second, and third, fourth, and fifth. Students enter here